Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. My name is Sarita and today I'm going to talk about vitamin C. Yes, when I say vitamin C, the first thing came into your mind, I'm sure it must be a fruit full of vitamin C, like your orange, lemon. Yes, I'm going to cover all of that. Plus, I'm going to tell what vitamin C does for your skin and do we really need vitamin C into our skincare routine. To know the answer, stick till the end. Let's get started. Our body already has vitamin C in it. As we age, the amount of vitamin C keeps reducing. Unfortunately, our body doesn't produce vitamin C by itself. Having vitamin C in your diet or as a supplement becomes important to give you all the benefits of vitamin C. Now, good source of vitamin C is fruits and vegetables like orange, lemon, strawberries, tomatoes, potatoes, spinach, broccoli. These are very rich in vitamin C in them. But when you have vitamin C into your diet, does it do everything for your skin? That's a big question. Now here is the answer. Now when your digestive system gets any kinds of nutrient or any kinds of vitamin, first it supplies, your body supplies to all parts of your body, like your kidney, heart, lungs, and then it comes up to your skin. That's why topical application of vitamin C is more effective than having vitamin C in your diet. So that doesn't mean that I'm telling you to skip your vitamin C because it's not useful for your skin. I'm not saying that it is useful for your skin. You should have it in your diet, but topical application is more effective for your skin than having vitamin C into your diet. Now, what are the benefits of vitamin C? Vitamin C has many benefits. It does almost everything for your skin. Vitamin C is a powerhouse of antioxidant. Antioxidant protects your skin from free radical damage caused due to sun exposure, which I am doing right now, and pollution around you. Now, what you may ask me, what is free radical? Let me tell you, free radical, it reduces the production of collagen and damages the layer of your skin, which is epidermis and dermis, which leads to premature aging. And I'm sure none of us wants to age so fast. That's why vitamin C is also known for its very good anti-aging property. Vitamin C helps to boost collagen production into our skin, which helps to thicken the layer of dermis and even out the fine lines and give you a youthful looking skin. Vitamin C also helps in production of ceramides, which is very useful for your skin hydration. It also reduces production of melanin, which leads to lighten up your any kinds of pigmentation, dark spots, brown spots, and even out your skin texture. That's why it is very important to incorporate one good vitamin C serum into your skincare routine, because it is going to give you the maximum benefit that you want. When you're starting with such kind of serum, always make sure to start with the lowest percentage. Start with 10% and go maximum up to 20%. And if you go beyond 20% of vitamin C serum, it might not be quite effective for your skin and it might not give you all the benefits and it can lead to more pigmentation. So stick maximum up to 20% of vitamin C serum and start slow. Vitamin C is such that you can apply in morning skincare routine as well as in your night skincare routine. But when you're starting with such kind of active, start in your morning skincare routine. First, wash your face, apply toner and apply your vitamin C serum. Let it get completely absorbed into the skin. Then apply your moisturizer, your good moisturizer, and never ever forget minimum SPF 30, because that is going to give you maximum protection from your from the sun damage. Now, when you include vitamin C serum into your night skincare routine, just follow all the steps, only skip your sunscreen. Of course, there is no sun in the night, you don't need sunscreen. So just skip the sunscreen and the rest is the same. Your early 20 is the right age to start your vitamin C serum. Now, when till we are 21-year-old, the production of collagen into our skin is very good, and once we cross 21, then every year we produce 1% less collagen into our skin. That's the reason why vitamin C serum, when you're start in your early 20s, so it can give all the benefits that you need. If you're 30, you haven't started yet, it's never too late to start your vitamin C serum at any age. Start right now. When you buy a vitamin C serum, make sure to buy in a darker bottle and which has a pump, because the shelf life of such bottle will be longer than the bottle which has dropper. Vitamin C tends to get oxidized faster with light and air, so that's the reason why always make sure to buy a darker bottle, and once you start using it, make sure to keep it in the darkest part of your house or the darkest portion of your closet. So always keep it in the darkest portion so you protect your serum from oxidizing faster. When you buy a vitamin C serum, make sure to read the ingredient list, because that is going to tell you what form of vitamin C that you are buying and what other antioxidant it's been formulated, or is there any other active ingredient, and which will give you the maximum benefit from the serum. Now vitamin C is mostly formulated with other antioxidants like vitamin E or ferulic acid, and sometimes you might see hyaluronic acid, which is very common in vitamin C, and also sometimes niacinamide. So these are some few forms which some few active which you will quite easily see in vitamin C serums formulation. So make sure to read your ingredient list so that you know what all other active ingredient you are getting with your vitamin C serum. There are few forms which are easily available in the market, like L-ascorbic acid, ascorbic acid are the pure form of vitamin C. Ethyl ascorbic acid that you will see commonly in most of vitamin C serums, which gives you more radiant, and magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. People who have dry or sensitive skin type can always go for magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, because it's less water soluble and less irritating to your skin. And people who have oily and normal skin type can always go for L-ascorbic acid or ascorbic acid. Now these are the few forms that are easily available in the market. So always read your ingredient list. The topmost ingredient will have the highest concentration in the serum, and the lowest ingredient will always have the lowest concentration in the serum. So keep that in mind whenever you are reading ingredient. And hope I was able to cover everything about vitamin C in this video. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my video. And also please comment down below if you have any suggestion for me. I would love to read. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. See you in my next video. Bye bye.